Kute Toon TV.
One rainy afternoon, Lucy had a plan to try her hand at baking. She was a fan with boundless energy and spirit so bright. She turned the kitchen into pure delight. Oh Lucy, with flour and cheer, baking up treats, bringing smiles ear to ear. Sugar and laughter mixed in the bowl. Your baking adventure warmed every soul. She experimented with recipes, each one so sweet, creating delicious treats, a family feast. Her joyful laughter filled up the room. Lucy's baking magic chasing away the gloom. Oh Lucy, with flour and cheer, baking up treats, bringing smiles ear to ear. Sugar and laughter mixed in the bowl. Your baking adventure warmed every soul. Her friends and family, they gathered round, tasting her creations, joy did abound. With every bite, their hearts were light. Lucy's love for joy, shining so bright. Oh Lucy, with flour and cheer, baking up treats, bringing smiles ear to ear. Sugar and laughter mixed in the bowl. Your baking adventure warmed every soul. Her baking adventure on that rainy day filled bellies and hearts in a special way. Lucy's boundless spirit, love and delight, brought joy to others in every bite. On a hot summer day, the sky was so blue. Lucy's family headed to the beach. It was time for something new. With her long brown hair in a ponytail high, Lucy couldn't wait to see the waves and the sunny sky. Oh, Lucy at the beach with the sand beneath her toes, building castles in the sun where the cool ocean flows. With a bucket and a spade and a smile oh so bright, she made a sandcastle kingdom under the warm sunlight. She gathered up seashells and she built with care, decorated her castle with treasure she found there. Her joy was so infectious, other kids came around to join in on the fun where new friendships could be found. Oh, Lucy at the beach with the sand beneath her toes, building castles in the sun where the cool ocean flows. With a bucket and a spade and a smile oh so bright, she made a sandcastle kingdom under the warm sunlight. With the sand beneath her toes, building castles in the sun where the cool ocean flows. With a bucket and a spade and a smile oh so bright, she made a sandcastle kingdom under the warm sunlight. They splashed in the waves and had a picnic on the sand, laughing in the sunshine, all hand in hand. As the sun began to set, the sky turned pink and gold. Lucy's beach day memories, a joy I haven't hold. Oh, Lucy at the beach with the sand beneath her toes, building castles in the sun where the cool ocean flows. With a bucket and a spade and a smile oh so bright, she made a sandcastle kingdom under the warm sunlight. The day was full of laughter, new friends to say hello. go, with the sunset to remember as the gentle breezes blow. Lucy's summer beach day, oh what a day so sweet, filled with joy and sunshine, a day no one could beat. Lucy woke up early on a Saturday so bright, her heart filled with excitement, she couldn't wait for the light. Today her parents promised a forest trip they'd take, a place of enchanting stories where magic was awake. Oh Lucy, with eyes so big and round, curiosity sparkling, in the forest she was bound. With a notebook, a pencil, and a jar for little treasures, her adventure in the forest brought endless joy and pleasures. They entered the forest, tall trees reached the sky, birds were chirping sweetly, leaves rustling as they fly. Lucy found a hidden path, with her parents' nod she went into the heart of magic, on her joyful quest she spent. Oh Lucy, with eyes so big and round, curiosity sparkling, in the forest she was bound. With a notebook, a pencil, and a jar for little treasures, her adventure in the forest brought endless joy and pleasures. She met magical creatures, a secret glade she found, an old wise owl with secrets, ancient tales did abound. The forest shared its wonders, memories she'd keep, in that enchanted woodland her heart was filled so deep. Oh Lucy, with eyes so big and round, curiosity sparkling, in the forest she was bound. With a notebook, a pencil, and a jar for little treasures, her adventure in the forest brought endless joy and pleasures. Lucy left the forest with stories to tell, her heart forever enchanted by the forest spell. With unforgettable memories, her smile so bright, Lucy's magical adventure in the forest light.